Hey, what's going on guys? This is Tech Sport and today I'll teach you how can you upload a thumbnails on your YouTube video from your YouTube creator app. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all you have need to do open up the app and you must be use the latest version and click on the three dot on the top hand left side and click on videos from the tab and it should come all of you on here. You can find all of your video and also by click this button you find most recent and most viewed video, and as you can guys see this is all of my video. And first of all click one of the video that you want to upload or change thumbnail. So for this video purpose I am using the first one where I paid export call, which is my latest video. At this moment I am recording this video, and on the top you can find the pencil icon. Just click this is called edit button, and on here boom guys, as you can see here say edit thumbnails, and to the down of edit thumbnails there's a download thumbnails. By clicking this button you can download thumbnails. So I'm click on edit thumbnails, and as you can see here there are some custom YouTube give you can choose one of them or click on change custom thumbnails. So I am hiding all of my image because it will open up gallery. So I'm in the back, and on here you can also change title, description, tag, and also delete from your YouTube this video. You can delete this from your YouTube, and also you can monetize, and also there are advanced settings. So before you exit, make sure you'll be click on the save button on top hand right side and click on the back on top hand left side, and yeah, you basically done. So guys, if you like the video, like this video, and also on the down below subscribe the channel and also comment if it helpful for you, and also don't forget to share this video to your friend. And as always guys, don't forget to like us on Facebook, add on Google Plus, and also follow us on Twitter and subscribe us on YouTube. So guys, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed it, and as always guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.